Go on, man. Stop. Yeah. What's going on, man? It's a beautiful day for a ride, right? Hell yeah. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Welcome to another vloggy vlog on this beautiful day, on this beautiful chilly day, as it happens to be a Thursday, and it's below freezing. It's 30 degrees, just below freezing. Not wildly below freezing, just enough. And we're just taking a little cruise to work on this gorgeous gorgeous morning. Busy day ahead. Got a couple of things done. Have a meeting, big meeting at 11 that's gonna kind of like figure out what's coming up for me. Bro, are you fucking for real? It's green light for us. Fucking idiot. What an idiot. What a freaking moron. This person literally let two people go and missed the green light because why? Because why? No turn signal either. No rear lights working. Alright. It's gonna be alright. And we got a Mach-E behind us. Cute. Oh, there you go. There's a turn signal there. I gotta get around this person because this is gonna be a fucking circus show. We'll get around him. So I was saying, I have a meeting at 11 that's gonna put a couple of things on my plate. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Not too concerned. And I prefer my meetings to be an email, especially with like details and like, you know, high level details, as I like to call it. And people want to talk on the phone late. 8 p.m. is too late for a fucking meeting, you know, way too late. This commute is taking longer than I anticipated this morning because I'm stuck behind this slow car. Taking a fucking turn, maybe. Look at this freaking person. They're a little quicker. They woke up a little bit. We gotta make this light, bro. This person is all about taking their sweet time. Passing this motherfucker. Yeah, it's just like I don't want to make decisions on the spot, you know, or commit to things. But we'll see. Obviously, one has to be flexible, so I'm not completely against phone meetings. Just prefer an email conversation at this point. Anyway, what am I even talking about? It's just like a nice morning. I'm just cruising. And that's the beauty of this vlog. It's a monologue. It's like a self-talk for myself to figure out what's happening. What the fuck is going on here? Look at these people. There's 2 lanes, you fucking muppet. You're not even going there anyway. People are just cruising. I'm the only one trying to get somewhere. Everybody else is just kind of taking it easy. I mean, look at this gap this guy's holding. For what? tons of popo ahead. You have to do some splitting. It's a little chilly. 30 degrees is indeed chilly. It was just such a, like, you know, I stepped out on a balcony this morning and the air was so fresh. It's almost the spring is in the air, even though, I mean, it is March, so technically spring is in the air, but I wonder how many cars I pass every day and they see me, because I'm not the only creature of habit. Trying to decide if I want to go local or not local. Alright, boys and girls, we're back. We're gonna make our way. Oh boy, is that truck really trying to do something? Son of a bitch. Trying to decide if I want to go local or not. I guess I'm committed to local. It's fine. I've got a big 18-wheeler. No overweight vehicles. And my boy is like, boink. Now I'm behind this motherfucker. This big boy. Is there room there? Probably not. It's probably not the smartest move. Just be a good, calm boy. And there's pow ahead, so we'll just take it easy. I think it's going to the left, so. There we go. Got another motorcyclist. Good lord. I don't see your turn signals, champ. Nice. What's going on, man? What's up? Yeah. Hey, what's going on, man? It's a beautiful day for a ride, right? Hell yeah. What? Yep. Taking a ride, going right under over there. Park this baby. Where are you riding to? Okay. Nice. What's your name? Nice to meet you, man. That was nice. I got so excited I almost freaking hit a lady before I came to my senses. Luca. Pleasure to meet. Nice. Perfect day for a ride too. It's fucking lovely. The gloves are on. Not too cold. There we go. Home stretch. Home stretch. Come on, bro. You could do it. We got a green light ahead of us. You know you can make it, right? Brah. Why you do that? There's a speed camera here, so we go perfectly speedy. Perfectly speedy. Whoa! Instead of rev matching, I fucking gave it an extra rev. It's a nice area to live in right here. Quiet enough. Short little walk from downtown. Ooh, this is nasty over here. What is happening? Gross. Cold, chilly. This person's on the wrong side of the road. Guess that's the Massachusetts way, fucking weirdos. Wait, is this road closed? Can I get around or no? Maybe? That road is not closed, is it over there?
No, it's not closed.
If I can get around? Cool. Alright. See where we can find some parking around here. Find a spot right here probably, but I'll do the spot right there. We'll go around. Running in shorts. Figured it'd be a little chilly to run in shorts, but perhaps not. There we go. Gotta find a spot around here. Same as before. Nice. Good. Good, we made it. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.